Next card is Five of Swords. It shows conflict, disagreement, competition, ego, failure, more than one choices, reconciliation, etc. Look into the card, what you are getting, as if these two people have lost the battle. Some battle has happened between these three person, and these two people have lost, and now they are moving away with sadness. In the card, just see sky is even not clear, and the whole situation is look like as if the battle is over, but still the surroundings, the environment, still it is not comfortable. When this card comes in a reading, it shows disagreement, conflict, ego. So there could be conflict on some issue and one wants to win at any cost. Here in the picture we can see this person, he wants to win this battle at any cost just to satisfy his ego. His face, when you observe, he looks like he is upset also on his behavior, and just because of his awkward behavior, this other two people, they are moving away. So at times this card talks about isolation also, because just because of your bad behavior, people are leaving you alone. So this card shows sore relationship. Just because of your behavior, could be something went wrong and now the relationship is not normal. Possible you may feel isolated because others have lost faith in you and they are moving away. Here in the card you can see this card shows the insecurity also. So just make yourself secure. This person is trying to win the situation by hook or crook and he want to win here. So it shows your situation of insecurity also. So when this card comes in a reading, it talks about your insecurity. You are feeling insecure and you want to make yourself secure by hook or crook. Advice plays, if this card comes, it talks about you have to play your game wisely. Apology also can be extended either from you or the other side. Take things in an easy way rather to make it broody, otherwise in future the situation could be very bad for you. Forgiveness also can be seen from this card, as when this card comes in an advice position. This card sometimes shows your past life burden, past life blockage. For example, interference in your personal life of your ex, which you are trying to get rid, but still you are unable to leave that situation. Actually, what Five of Swords is showing in reading, it shows conflict, it shows disagreement, it shows dissatisfaction in a relationship, your arrogant nature. So Five of Swords as a advice, it talks about you need change in your attitude. So after conflict of Five of Swords, now I wanted to move away. I am hurt,